What is up, guys? So today we're checking out XG's Howling. This is from the second mini album. I don't know if, let me see. So there's Howling, Howl, In the Rain, Is This Love? Yeah, so I'll do an album reaction of the songs that I haven't checked out yet, like the songs that we've seen the music videos to. So I'll do those ones in another video. So, long awaited, I have been basically doing a countdown in my mind for this. Let's go. Ooh.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause it's stick that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones.
Dude, oh my god. The outfits. I'm gonna start it over. I'm sorry, like I can already tell that I'm gonna be pausing this one a lot, so bear in mind as you watch the video. Also, I forgot to tell you, subscribe.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause it's stick that dome.
Dude, oh my god, that outfit is...
Lights go out of my pack, just grow. Opposition, my prima post. Game of hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out. Attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many captain, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I humble my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
The rap line, oh my god, like this is the last time. I'm not gonna take it back anymore.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause it's stick that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out of my pack, just grow. Opposition, my prima post. Game of hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out. Attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many captain, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I humble my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer.
No way out when it fades out. Can't hide in the dark. Cause when the moonlight and the full rise is going down, nothing can stop or dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, the sound. Cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude, everything about this.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a wolf. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you get it, run it back. You unleash the beast, call it Wolfgang cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed, never cease, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling, sound of a couple thousand hours. Now the feel surrounded, I move with silence. Group like a group of wild, there's no choice but
Dude, oh my god.
There's nowhere to hide. It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. Nothing can stop or dangerous. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, the sound. Cause that's how we howl. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin'.
I know I'm pausing in the middle of a chorus, but this is, oh my god, like, so on Monday I reacted to TXT's on Over the Moon, and on Friday I'm reacting to XG's Howling. These are currently 2 of my favorite groups. So we're eating well this week. That is basically what I'm saying.
Where are you now? Welcome. to the one where the strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark. That's how we howling, crawling, crawling.
Oh my god.
That's how we howling, crawling, crawling. Where are you now?
Dude, literally nobody is touching XG, like in the girl groups. And like, I'm even trying to think, right? Because you got your aespas, you got your. I mean, I feel like Ive has disappeared, like, honestly. You New Jeans is kind of, like, not really popping up recently. Like, dude, like, nobody's touching them, like, not even a little bit. Like, they are so good.